26 November Echo 34. Q was it?
26 November Echo.
Yes, my friend. 26 November Echo 34. Number 3, number 4. Operator name at this side is Steve, like Sierra, Tango, Echo, Victor, Echo. QSL?
Okay, 26 November Echo 34, 34, Bravo 01. Your positional 55. My name is Santi. Sierra Alpha November Tenerife from Tenerife Island. Tenerife Island, yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all received, my friend. I have just been in your division, my friend, on 1 week holiday. I only come back last night. I was in Tenerife for 1 day, sorry, for 1 week, my friend. 1 week. I stopped in Las Americas, my friend. QSL?
Las America. 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers Las America. I'm sorry for my English, yes, sir.
Yes, my friend. All received. Your English is very, very good, my friend. Much, much better than my Spanish.
Okay, today the weather is 27 degrees, blue sky, yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all received, my friend. That's all received. Yes, I spent 7 days in Tenerife. I only got back early hours of this morning. Very, very good weather conditions all week, my friend. I've come back to England with a very, very nice tan. So I am very, very happy with that. I stopped at the best Tenerife hotel, my friend. The best Tenerife.
Okay, my friend. The provision are down, are down. Thank you for the contact, amigo. 26 November Echo 34, 34 AB 01. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao, amigo.
Yeah, thank you very much for that, my friend. You are 100% in my log on Cluster Delta X-Ray, and I will send you an EQSL card there, my friend. Thank you very much for that. 73s and 51s there. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, Pfizer now, and then signal 334. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.
Yeah, no problem. Your signal is also 5 and 7, 5 and 7, my friend. If you go on YouTube and search for me under my call sign, tomorrow there will be a video of the QSO, my friend. So 73s and 51s, have a fantastic week. Take care.
Thank you. Ciao, ciao.